Happy birthday, Meenu.
Happy birthday, Meenu.
Oh, I am so sleepy, Ma. Why are you waking me up so early? What happened, Ma?
Hey, Meenu, don't you remember? Today is your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Meenu. Happy birthday. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Chinu. I am so happy.
Today, I will cook dishes that you like, Meenu. Why don't you call your friends home for lunch? You can all eat and have fun together.
Okay, Ma. That will be lots of fun.
Now, just run and call your friends. I will quickly cook by then.
Meenu, I will also come with you to call our friends.
Chinu, why don't you stay at home and help Ma? She has to cook food for all of us. She will need some help. You can help her.
Okay, Meenu, you go and call our friends. I will help Ma. Don't forget to call Jeetu and Shyama.
Meenu, wait. I will also come with you to call everyone. Ma, Chinu, look, our friends are here. See, Shyama, Sheila, Sahil, Jeetu have all come home.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Chinu. Hello, Auntie. Auntie, we love your food. We are all waiting to eat your food.
Thank you, my child. I am happy you all like my cooking. Come, everyone sit down.
Auntie, the food smells so good. Auntie, my mouth is watering. What all have you cooked today, Auntie? Auntie, you have to give Shama some food quickly. Look, she is behaving like Raja when he sees a bone.
Sahil, poor girl, don't tease her. Look at what I have made for you today. I have made curries with potatoes and cauliflower. Look, here are some fluffy puris, stew and sweet kheer.
I love potatoes, Auntie. But I don't like cauliflower.
Okay, you can have more potatoes, Sahil, but you should eat all vegetables. They are very good for health.
I love kheer very much. I will drink more kheer, Auntie.
You can have more kheer, Shama. You can all eat more of whatever you like, but you have to eat a little of everything. It is good for your health.
But Ma, how can I eat all types of food? I don't like food that tastes bitter, like bitter gourd. Eek! It tastes so bitter. I just cannot eat it.
I like only honey. It tastes so sweet. But how do we get to know how different foods taste? Buzz, our tongue helps us to taste food. There are tiny bumps on our tongue. They are called the taste buds. They help us taste the food we eat.
Tiny little bumps? What do they look like? Chinu, show me your tongue.
Chinu, put your tongue out. Can you see these tiny bumps, Buzz? These are the taste buds. These taste buds help us taste the food we eat.
Children, do you know the different parts of the tongue help us to find out different tastes?
Different parts of the tongue tell us about different tastes. But how is that, Auntie?
It is like magic. Look at Chinu's tongue. This part, the front of the tongue, helps us identify sweet and salty taste. The back of the tongue helps us identify bitter taste. The sides of the tongue help us identify sour taste.
I didn't know this, Ma. I thought the whole tongue identifies all tastes. This is so funny. Will I not feel the bitter taste in the front of my tongue?
No, Minu. Don't you think our body is very interesting?
Yes, Ma. Our body is very interesting.
Children, now have your food. You have been talking too much. But don't swallow your food just like that. Chew it slowly and well before you swallow it.
But Ma, why should we chew the food well before we swallow it?
Only if you chew your food well, your body will be able to digest it properly. We need to digest the food we eat. Chewing helps in digestion.
Digestion? What is digestion, Ma?
I will tell you, Buzz. What did Shama say when she saw tasty food?
She said that her mouth was watering.
That's right. Her mouth was watering because of the saliva that she has in her mouth. We all have saliva in our mouth. Saliva is one of the things that help in digestion.
I know, Ma. The food then goes from the mouth to the stomach. It is broken into different small parts. Whatever is needed by the body to help it grow and get strength is kept back in the body. The remaining unwanted parts are thrown out of the body as waste.
So we need to chew our food nicely before we swallow it. But how do we know if we have chewed the food properly or not?
After you chew for some time, the food gets soft. Only then you should swallow the food.
And how does the saliva help us?
Buzz, the saliva in our mouth has special things which help to digest the food. It mixes with food to make it soft and easy to swallow also. That is why Ma says that we should chew the food in our mouth well before we swallow.
Okay, children, you must be very hungry now. The food is also getting cold. Eat your food and then you can talk.
Oh, Auntie, the food is very tasty. I love it.
Thank you, my child. Here, Sahil, have some more. Jeetu, Sheila, you too have some more.
Auntie, can you tell me something? Sometimes, even before we taste the food with our tongue, we get to know of its taste, like bitter or sweet, or even if it is good or spoiled. How is that possible?
You are right, Sheila. That is because our nose also helps us in this.
Oh, so without seeing or tasting food, we can find out about its taste.
That's right, Sheila. But not all food. Some of them.
Like Auntie's food today. Shama, did you not smell the lovely food that Auntie has made, even without tasting it? Mmm, your mouth was also watering. And Sheila, don't you remember? The other day we had gone to the fish market and you were holding your nose all the time. Oh, yes, I do remember. So, our nose also tells us so many things about the food. Oh, now I know why Grandma asks me to hold my nose when she gives me some bitter medicine. She doesn't want me to know that it is a bitter medicine. Otherwise, I will run away.
That's right, Chinu. But now you are smart. You will not close your nose. So I will have to ask your grandma to think of a new way to make you drink bitter medicines. Okay, children, go and wash your hands.
Thank you, Auntie. We all loved your food. The potatoes were very tasty. Meenu, shall we play for some time after washing our hands?
Oh, Sahil, I have an idea. Let us play a different game today. brought some honey for you. Are you feeling better?
Oh, I am better. Sahil, just see what I will do to you.
It's okay, Chinu. Forget it. It's only a game. Sahil was trying to be funny.
I knew. The way Chinu shouted, I knew he had something spicy. Sahil, why did you give him a chili? It's wrong to do that. But I was only testing his taste buds. Sorry, Chinu. You can make me eat a chili if you want to. Maybe you'll feel better. It's okay, Sahil. You were only playing a trick on me. Let's play a different game now. We will blindfold one of us and take them near that tree and give them something to eat. They have to make a sound based on the taste, just like I did. Then the rest of us have to identify the taste. This should be fun. Blindfold me first. Meenu, will you give me something to taste?
Okay, Sheila, come.
I know. You must have had something sour, like a lemon or a tamarind. Am I right? Right, Chinu. It was tamarind. Now, let me taste. Eek! Eek! Eek!
That must have been something bitter, Sahil.
You are right, Meenu. Think it was a bitter gourd. Now, Meenu, your turn. I knew it must be something sweet.
That's right. That was a jalebi.
What are you playing, children?
Ma, we are identifying tastes of different things by blindfolding ourselves.
Okay, that's a good game. Tell me, which part of the mouth you used to find out the taste of the food?
I used my tongue. I also used my tongue.
I know you all used your tongue. Okay, all of you take a laddu from this box. Now, Sahil, you try tasting the laddu by just touching it with your lips. Shama, you try to taste it by keeping it under your tongue. Did you get any taste?
No, Auntie. No, Auntie.
That's right. You get the taste only when you keep it on your tongue. Do you know why?
Yes, Auntie. We know the reason. This is because we have taste buds on our tongues. These taste buds help us identify the taste.
That is very smart, Shama. You children are getting smarter by the day. I am very proud of you.
Ma, we have played for a long time now. I am feeling tired and hungry again.
Buzz is always hungry. Buzz, you don't need a reason to be hungry.
Okay now. Come here, all of you. First tell me, how do you feel when you are hungry? Shama, you tell me.
When I am very hungry, I feel like eating anything. Anything at all.
Anything at all? You will even eat an elephant if you are hungry.
Why will she eat an elephant, Buzz? She will eat some food. Jitu,
How do you feel when you are hungry?
I feel very tired when I am hungry. Auntie, I start crying when I feel very hungry.
Auntie, my head starts aching when I am hungry. And Chinu gets very irritated. It is best to stay away from him when he is hungry. And he is hungry all the time.
Ma, tell Minu not to tease me.
Minu, don't tease your brother. He has been very good to you today. He even gave you laddus to eat.
Sorry, Chinu. I was only pulling your leg. Don't feel bad.
It's okay. I am feeling very thirsty. I am going to drink some water.
But how do we get to know we are thirsty? What makes us feel thirsty? Buzz, our body needs lots of water. When the water becomes less, then our brain gives a signal to our mouth and throat. Then we feel thirsty. That's why we drink water.
Yes, it is very important to drink lots of water. That is because more than half of our body is water. If we don't have enough water in the body, we can faint and fall sick. We will not have any energy by then.
I know, Auntie. Our sports teacher in school tells us to drink lots of water while we are playing. He says that we sweat a lot and lose our body water. He also asks us to have glucose water. But why glucose water?
That's because glucose gives energy immediately. Have you tasted glucose?
I have tasted glucose. It is very sweet, like sugar. My mother mixes it in water and gives it to me sometimes.
But last month, when my grandma fainted, we took her to the hospital. The doctor said that they have to give her glucose drips.
What is glucose drip? Why couldn't she drink glucose water?
That's because she must have become very weak and sick by then. It must have been very serious. When a person is very sick, and if there is no time to make him drink glucose water, they give drips. When they give drips, the glucose is injected into the body, and it gets into the body immediately through the veins. It helps them recover faster.
But Ma, it is very dangerous to lose water from our body. So, it is better to drink enough water and not fall sick. Auntie, one day my sister fell very sick. She had a bad stomach upset. She had loose motions and vomited all that she ate. After a few hours, she became very weak, and Papa had to rush her to the hospital. She fainted, and the doctor had to give her glucose drips. Oh, she must have lost lots of body water when she had those loose motions and vomiting. What do you do then, Ma?
When you think you are feeling tired or losing water from the body, then you should mix water, sugar and salt and drink lots of that. Small babies have diarrhea and many mothers don't know about this. And babies become even more sick. So, you can give them this sugar and salt water mixture, or you can also give them ORS. ORS is also the same thing.
ORS? Where can we get ORS, Auntie?
ORS is easily available in all the government hospitals and in all the village health centers, Sahil. So children, to stay healthy, you should eat a balanced diet and drink lots of water.
What is a balanced diet, Ma?
Balanced diet is one which has all the essential nutrients that our body needs, like carbohydrates, protein, glucose, vitamins, etc. Different foods have different nutrients. That is why we should eat all types of good food.
Ma, what will happen if we don't eat a balanced diet?
If we don't eat a balanced diet, then we can suffer from malnutrition.
Malnutrition? What does that mean, Ma?
Malnutrition happens when a person's body does not get enough nutrition. Then the body can suffer from different types of diseases. When the body does not have enough nutrients, it is not strong enough to fight the germs that attack it.
Oh, now I know. Can the body suffer so much if we don't have the right kind of food?
Yes, Sahil. Our body needs lots of water and the right kind of balanced food to stay healthy.
Ma, now that I know about malnutrition, I think maybe the gardener's son is suffering from malnutrition.
Yes, maybe he did not have a balanced diet. Children, do you know that it is the right of every child to get proper food? That is why every child studying in a government school till class 8 has the right to have a midday meal.
Oh, then I will ask the gardener's child also to go to school regularly. This way, he will get good education and also a proper meal.
Meenu, it is getting late. We have to go back home now. Bye and happy birthday once again.
Friends, you also should have a balanced diet and drink lots of water. Keep smiling.
Shall we help Buzz pick the correct taste of these foods? Tamarind, sour, laddu, sweet, neem leaves, bitter,
Lemon,
sour, halwa, Lime juice with salt. Salty. Chili. Spicy. Bitter gourd. Bitter. Toffee. Sweet. Raw mango. Sour. Let us help butterfly. Fill in the blanks. Drips are given to very sick people. Glucose drips are given to very sick people. Bitter gourd is to taste. Bitter gourd is bitter to taste. R helps us to taste food. Tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste food. The of the tongue helps us to identify sweet and salty tastes. Front. The front of the tongue helps us to identify sweet and salty tastes. The of the tongue helps us to identify bitter tastes. Back. The back of the tongue helps us to identify bitter tastes. The of the tongue help us to identify sour taste. Sides. The sides of the tongue help us to identify sour taste. We all have on our tongue. Taste buds. We all have taste buds on our tongue. This in our mouth helps in digestion. saliva in our mouth helps in digestion. Our sense of helps us to identify foods with strong smells. Smell. Our sense of smell helps us to identify foods with strong smells. Will you help Bird to find out which of these sentences are true and which are false? You can taste food with your lips. False. One feels tired when one is hungry. True. Chewing food properly helps in digestion. True. It is important to drink lots of water. True. Less than half our body is water. False. Glucose gives us energy. True. To stay healthy, we need to eat a balanced diet. True. When we eat a balanced diet, we will suffer from malnutrition. False. Every child up to class 8 in government schools has a right to midday meal. True. When someone is suffering from diarrhea and vomiting, we should give them ORS. True. Friends, will you answer these questions? You can also write the answers in your notebook. Which part of your body helps in identifying tastes? The tongue helps in identifying tastes. How does the tongue help in identifying tastes? The tongue has taste buds. These taste buds help in identifying tastes. How does the tongue help in identifying different tastes? Different parts of the tongue help in identifying different tastes. The front of the tongue identifies sweet and salty things. The back helps to identify bitter tastes. And the sides of the tongue help to identify sour taste. Why should you chew your food properly before swallowing it? Our body can digest food properly only when it is chewed well. What is digestion? When we eat our food, the saliva in our mouth mixes with the food and softens it. Then the food goes to the stomach. It is broken into different small parts. The body absorbs whatever is needed and the rest is thrown out of the body as waste. This is called digestion. What should you do if someone has loose motions or vomiting? We should give them a sugar, salt and water solution. Or we should give them ORS. Where can you get ORS? ORS is available in all government hospitals and village health centers free of cost. What makes us feel thirsty? Our body needs lots of water. When the water in our body becomes less, then our brain gives a signal to our mouth and throat and we feel thirsty. What happens when you play games outside? We sweat a lot and lose our body water. So, we have to drink lots of water. What does glucose water do? Glucose water gives energy very fast. What does glucose drip do? When anyone is very sick, weak and tired, glucose drips is given to them in an hospital. Glucose drips give them strength quickly even without eating. How do you get to know that you are hungry? Can you describe the tastes of tomato, cucumber, onion or garlic? You can discuss with your friends. Can you write down 5 things that you like to eat? Can you describe their tastes also? Bye bye.